Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact UPS customer service, direct link step by step clearly. To contact UPS customer service, start by visiting the official UPS website. Navigate to the home page of UPS. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the customer support section. Click on the Contact Us link. You will be directed to a new page displaying various contact options. Select the option that suits your needs, such as track a package or shipping assistance. If you need to speak to someone directly, click on the call option. Make note of the provided customer service phone number. For additional assistance, consider using the live chat feature. This option is usually available during business hours. Another way to reach out is through social media. Visit the official UPS Twitter or Facebook page for support. Check their FAQs section for quick answers. If you prefer email, look for the contact form on the site. Fill out the form with your details and inquiry. Submit the form and wait for a response. By following these steps, you can effectively reach UPS customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.